Hello everyone, and we team Atmanirbhar welcome you to our website instruction. This is the front page of our website. Our website Atmanirbhar focuses on the quality education for everyone and to equally provided through poor people and through rich with the good content in this COVID time. This is the landing page of our website. As now it contains course content, chatbots, developer circle, and everything you need under a one platform. So here we go. This section is for student and teachers with different roles, like student who want to learn and teacher who want to contribute through our website or through our idea. From here, anyone can log in or sign up as the student portal, so they can access the blogs, courses, and every other feature that is provided by us. So here we can see different blogs containing education, values, and etc. Now I'll show some extra features of our website, like developer hub, where you can meet the common developers of your interest and chat with them in a separate room and discover more about the content. So here you can display your name and just choose a room of your choice where you want to learn and grow, and then it will connect you through other developers with the same interest. And here you can chat through them like as shown here. This is whiteboard where you can interact with teachers and the volunteer teaching you, or you can have your doubts live through any live session or anything. You can have it. You can use it as notes also. Anything which you want to do here, or you can type, or you can save as later. So this is the chatbot. Even if you have any doubt in any course content or anything which you are learning through the website, you can chat here with our chatbot. So here's an example. So this idea of ours primarily emphasizes on providing quality education through a very good content, and the teachers who are voluntarily interested in teaching or in contributing to the society can go here and sign up for their duties. They can teach the students online their content and classes timing according to their need through this form, which will be connected to our database, and we can have their detailed information through that. And even if you want to make any donation or give us any suggestion, we have that also, like donate. Or if you are an NGO or anyone who's helping the poor, you can raise the funds also. And for donation, you can donate the money here with your complete details and the methods which you want to donate and any amount. So this is the blogs, education related blogs of different areas and different sign up fields where you can explore your interest and social skills hereafter. So that's all about our idea with where you can be self-sufficient to explore yourself through different interests and different methods and features provided by us. Thank you.